So we're at a pilot. Not sure what happened. We actually stopped to get gas. We had no idea. We started hearing a strange noise. But we got here, and the thing that protects the underbelly, we have a covered underbelly, the thing that protects it somehow came off or undone, and it was kind of dragging on the road. So I think that we should stop at a rest area and maybe try to figure out a way to get it to stick, because we've got about another 200 miles before we get to our next destination. So we'll let you know how it goes.
All aboard! Yeah, something came underneath here, hit it, ripped the front part of it here. And it's got a hole. So underneath, it's a good thing we got this undercarriage thing. That's what it's there for. But yeah, I just got to figure out how to stand, but I want to.
Maybe we should go to a rest area and try to deal with it.
Well, it just needs to be. It's up. It's in there. I've got it in all the grooves.
2 miles, and it came down even more. So we're gonna try to figure out what's going on here and get this thing to stay up. Wish us luck.
We're underneath our Jayco right now. Strong woman Christina is drilling through metal. She's super strong. Oh, she's about to choke herself.
So if you can see these screws, it will cut through metal. So we put some tape where this big gaping hole was, so the air wouldn't get back underneath of it. And now we're just I'm just reattaching to places that that will just kind of help hold it. That's really all we can do.
Yeah, basically it was held in place by 2 bolts. So we're reattaching these 2 bolts. We just have to move the glacier underbelly over a little bit so we can drill new holes through that. So that's where we're at right now.
I'm just kind of figuring out where I want to drill it into, because there's only so much metal, but should work. Hi everyone! So the question of the day is we wonder if everybody else's travel trailer and RV is held together with duct tape and electrical tape and, you know, stuff like that.
Yeah, we're just laying out in the parking lot at Cracker Barrel underneath our trailer, just trying to fix some stuff.
So anyways, we think that the problem is that actually the air caught it maybe and ripped it. So we duct taped this to keep the airflow from going up underneath this thing that's supposed to protect our underbelly. And we put duct tape over where the hole was at, re-screwed it in, and we're hoping for the best. So that's really all we can do. I don't know of anything else that we can do other than put a bunch of more screws in it. So maybe we'll put a couple more screws in it, but we need the ones that cut through metal. So I'll look and see if we have any more of those. Not sure. Anyways.
Well, I think we are back in business for now. We'll definitely find out here shortly, because we're about to get back on I-90 West.
Yay!
And hopefully we can make it 5 more miles down the road. Wish us luck.
Bye!
So we did a temporary fix. Now we've got all the tools that we think we need to do a proper fix. And there is the architect at hand.
So what we found to use for a patch is it's a floor mat. It's just like a thick plastic car or truck floor mat that you would put in the back seat or something. It's a perfect fit. It's pretty thick. It looks pretty durable. It was like $2 at Walmart. This mat should cover it and hopefully adhere to it and keep anything else from flying up in there and damaging underneath the trailer. We got it up. We think it'll stay. We're not sure. It's not pretty.
No, it's not pretty, but it's hidden away from everybody, so it's definitely not it's not gonna be sore in the eyes.
And we do have safety goggles on, so we didn't get any liquid nails or metal shards from putting more screws up to hold up the underbelly, because they were definitely flying, huh, babe?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, they were.
So this is the not dry but finished product of the floor mat, the car floor mat, clear floor mat. The reason why you see the white adhesive in that pattern is because that's where that big gaping hole is at. So obviously we're doing this to protect the underbelly, and there's nothing to adhere the middle to except for that reflective stuff, that barrier that helps it stay warm in the wintertime inside, and we didn't think that we should get any of the adhesive on that. That didn't seem necessary or like a good idea.
What's up, guys? Errand day continues. We fixed the bottom of our underbelly, or what's it called?
The underbelly cover for our trailer. So we're waiting to see if that sticks or not.
We got the airbags in the back filled up for our truck. And now we are off to wash Big Mick. Yep.
Gotta do a tiny bit of grocery shopping, and then we should be able to relax on our Saturday night and have a campfire and grill up some food.
Oh yeah, we gotta pick up some firewood too.
Oh, add that to the list. Ben was nice enough to go into the grocery store without me. Wasn't that sweet? Truck is washed, and groceries done. Underneath the trailer's done. We put air in the right airbags underneath the truck, and we're off to get some firewood.
But first, we gotta stop and fill up our tank.